Alrighty. Alrighty. Here we go. Let's see. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Well, welcome everyone. Welcome to the severe weather coverage for April the 1st, 2025. And I'm just coming on the air right now for the severe weather coverage. We want to start out with this storm right here that's been that's moving into Ponca City. This is a destructive severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect right now that expires 28 minutes. It's heading to Noble County, Grant County, Garfield County, and it's a very serious threat. Baseball size hail, 60 miles per hour wind damage, and it's moving towards New Newkirk. So you got about 7:19 before it hits you, and then moving north and west of Norway. So you got about 7:29. So this storm will be in, and then also we got this thunderstorm warning, but severe thunderstorm warning is only a half dollar size hail, less than 50 miles per hour. So this is the storm that's going on right now. Baseball size hail. It is very destructive, moving northwest, heading to Blackwell and Newkirk and Kildare. So you got about few minutes. You got about few minutes away, going away. So here we go. 6:49, 6:59, and it's moving right now. So we have another severe thunderstorm warning has been issued, and it's moving to Kansas. So this is a half dollar size hail, so that is moving to Kansas. And also, let's go down here to this new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. It's been issued not too long ago. Not destructive, half dollar size hail, 60 miles per hour. So you got about 26 minutes to that severe thunderstorm will be expired. My main concern is this guy right here. This guy right here is that destructive severe thunderstorm warning that is going on right now. So that's something we have to look after. So this is that storm that is going on right now. It is moving 43 miles per hour, heading towards that direction. So I'm going to map this out. So this is going 43 miles per hour, and it's moving into these cities. So about over 30, almost 30,000 population will be infected in that area. So please get your pets inside, get everyone inside, get your cars covered, because this is a baseball size hail it's calling for, and strong winds, and then and it's triggering this. So when you have a destructive severe thunderstorm warning, it will trigger your phones. It will turn off. The sirens will go off. It's kind of like a tornado, but it's not a tornado. So this is a very serious warning right here. So right now, in the meantime, I want to show you what my weather station is uh, doing as of right now. So right now it is 71 degrees. It did move up a little bit. It is starting to warm up, which that's not really good. That's not really good news for us. And then you got the barometer pressure. It was 0.52. Now it's 29.48, and the humidity is 65%. Yeah, there is. That means there's a good chance having a tornado on its way. But here's the thing. Here's the catch. Since we still have some wind, there's a that means there could not be a tornado. A great chance you're not having a tornado as of this moment. If there is no wind, yeah, you have a good chance. There'd be a great. The chances will increase of having having a tornado. So so I was just been informed about this storms issue. This has the probability to produce a tornado as of this moment. So something to look after. So keep that in mind. So in the meantime, let's go back, uh, look at what is going on for throughout the whole week. So it's supposed to get it's supposed to move out on Wednesday, and then wow, Friday we do have another chance of system moving in. No, but not supposed to be as severe as at this moment. So that's really good news right now. And it's supposed to rain all day, and then it's supposed to get colder for on Sunday for Chile for one last time, and it's supposed to start warming back up on Tuesday, Wednesday, and on the Thursday. I'm a little bit concerned about this right here now how the heat and cold temperatures meeting, but the heat, but as you can see, the barometer pressure is not as will be high at that moment. But that is Oklahoma weather for you. So we want in the meantime, I want to let's look at the. I want to see if where the storm is. I'm going to turn this guy on. So if there's like any pictures that we could possibly see, because they do have some pictures to look at. So let me look and see if there's any pictures at this moment. So here we go. Try this again. So let me turn on this radar. So let's go look over here and see if they have any live footage. See if they have any shots what the storm looks like, which that'd be really cool. But so since we don't have any after tornado warnings yet, so let's look at the webcam. So here's the closest one right here. So let me play this. So this is what it was like 12 hours ago. Very pretty. Um, um, what it looks like right now. But this is live footage right now. This is the latest screenshot of that storm that's going on right now. It's a, that's all what's going on right now. That's like the closest one as of this moment um, that I seen. Um, I don't know. And let's go down Lawton. Let's look at that Lawton. See if we have some video footage. Oh, there's one right here. Oh, we have another one right here. So that is that storm from uh, near Lawton. No, right here actually. Well, I was wrong. Close to Lawton. See if they have any webcams that are active. No webcams. That's sad. Because well, not sure what that is, but that's part of that is part of that storm that's going on right now. If I could just zoom into it, this is what it looks like. It's getting cloudy, overcast. So that is about a minute ago of the screenshot. So well, let's go back to this one. See what's going on right now. So still a destructive cigarette thunderstorm warning. And we have this severe thunderstorm warning that's still going on right now. So, you know, the funny part is this line right here has not issued a tornado watch yet. So Wagner is not included, Muskogee is not included, and Tahlequah is not included, and Rogers is not included. So that's really interesting right here. And this is not include had not been issued a tornado watch yet, but eventually they will. And then I'll have to close this out. Wait, I don't have to close that out. There we go. Also, I want to show you something. What it's going to be looking like for Wednesday. Excuse me. So look at Wednesday. Memphis is going to get really bad. So is Mississippi. I have a lot of friends I know that that I went to school with in elementary. They're going to be in part of it. This is the moderate risk of severe weather. Also, I might have to get back with that later. So we have something right here that this has now been upgraded to a considerable severe thunderstorm warning. It's been upgraded to golf ball size hail. I'm gonna have to turn this off and get back and talk later about that. So yeah, we're now. So this has now been upgraded to a considerable severe thunderstorm warning, and this is still a threat. So this is that. There's that is destructive, and then we also have a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued in Florida, which is Seminole and Volusia County. So that's way far from the south. So a lot going on already. We, it is starting to fire up. So in the meantime, let's go back to my weather station and show what it looks like right now, and in my home. So let's go back to that and show you what that is about. So it likely so I'm gonna go back and zoom out and actually if I could just do this. If I can go, there we go. So there we go. So there's my there's my weather station right now. So it is still now 71 degrees. It is 2 miles. Winds is blowing 2 miles per hour, and as you can see, the barometer pressure still at 29.47. And then with that, we just gotta go down here and see it's still been falling. It's been falling since midnight. So it was at 29.4, and then you can see that with that being said, it's been down for the last almost the whole day. So well, yeah. I just want to show you that with for you. So and then you got the humidity. The humidity's been up a little bit. It only went down 20 for down a little bit. Now it's picking, it's hiking back up. And right now this is it's been overcast, so let me go look at this one. So because this is the temperatures right now. It's been up. It's been 71. And now it's been back up. It's been warming back up. So and when then this is the forecast. What's gonna be like for the next few days. And Sunday, Monday will be in the low 34 in the 30s. Um, and then it will jump back up um, to 71 and 73, and then so let's go back, look at that more of that storms. So the good news, it's been downgraded to considerable. It is weakening, so that is really good news as of this moment. So far, there has been no tornadoes. I'm surprised this has not been issued a tornado watch. There's a good chance we might dodge Jabula because we're on the edge of not having a tornado warning for Broken Arrow. I'm talking about the Broken Arrow, Bixby, Glenpool, and maybe Jinx. They may not be. They may not be included because like we're on the edge of it. So that may be good news. I know, but I'm not sure about Owasso or Owasso. They or Tulsa. So they just issued a new severe thunderstorm warning. Let's go check that out. I don't think that's anything near here. That warning was allowed to be canceled, so that's really good news. So so that new severe thunderstorm warning that's in Nebraska. So let's go up there and see what that. So that is a new severe thunderstorm warning. No severe thunderstorm, no tornado watch, and no nothing. So that is producing a quarter-sized hail with 60 miles per hour wind. Nothing big. So that's really good news. So and then we have a weather statement. That is in Kansas. Not a severe thunderstorm warning or nothing like that. So that is a severe weather statement. So, and then we got these lines. This storm is really picking it up. It's supposed to be moving to all the way to close to Norman. So we got that. This storm is beginning right here. So it's going 64 miles per hour, and it's expected to hit it at 7:46. So that is moving 64 miles per hour. So that's another storm to watch. So not a lot going. So that's a lot to take in. That storm is still producing a $0.5 size hail and a 60 miles per hour wind. What that means is not producing a tornado yet. So none of these storms has not produced is not showing possible tornado, which that's really good news as of this moment. So, but what with that what the tornado watch is they got about less than 5 hours to go. That might be extended because eventually, for what I understand, this will be also issue a tornado watch as well as Arkansas, parts of Louisiana, and Missouri. will be included of this, and and I know Kansas is already a part of it. Tennessee will also be included this. Mississippi. So this is going to be going on overnight in throughout the next day. So let me just zoom out. So and when I get, let's go back and talk about that. Well, right now I'm not gonna worry about it. So we have another weather statement that's been like either expanded or issued. Now we have another two weather statements. So I want to go back to this one. So we have 8 active weather statements that are going on right now. So if you're just tuning in, so welcome. Hey, I want to thank Curtis Carwell. Thank you for subscribing me. I appreciate it. I appreciate you all the all your support. We're just moments away of having 500 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you very much. That means a lot to me. But right now, in the meantime, we are now we have a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Camacho, Gavin, Grady, Cotton, Stevens County. 5 of those are in that severe thunderstorm warning, quarter size hail, 60 miles per hour until 7:45. And so we have 6 active severe thunderstorms warning, and then this is still showing so we have another severe thunderstorm warning. So this one is golf ball size hail that it has been an issue. I don't know what that was, but golf ball size hail that is considerable threat. So we want to check that out. So it is producing 60 miles per hour. In the meantime, please, if you're in Kemocha, Duncan, please get your pets inside. Get in shelter because this is a dangerous situation. So, and then this is really coming along. So let's go. Wait, we gotta see what that other one is. So that has just been extended. So, and let's check out the National Weather Service and see what the storm is going to look like, um, in the green country. So there's that tornado watch. So a few tornadoes could be developed. Hopefully we're not included in this. It is going to be close. It will occur at 8 o'clock. The earliest will start at 7, It is 7 o'clock right now. Um, this is for Wednesday. It will begin at, for us, will begin at 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. That's also going to be when that Nintendo event will take place. I'm hopefully it'll be out of that really soon. I'm hoping I don't want to deal with that, and then this is gonna go on until till all night long. So, and then we have another severe thunderstorm, severe weather for. Okay, that's for Wednesday. We're gonna have so many rainfall into Saturday. I mean, we definitely needed the rain. So tornadoes for tonight. We're supposed to get really bad for it. We're definitely going to be in for it. Let's go back and check out my weather station. So it has dropped down a little bit. My temperature and the barometer pressure is continuing to fall. See, we're at 0.02, and the humidity is going up a little bit. So that's really bad news. So it did get warm. So, and we are not under a tornado watch, and this is more far concerning as of this moment because we got these storms are moving rapidly fast. Get ready to head to Oklahoma City right now. So we have another one. So there's another one right here. Let's I'm gonna dive into that right now. Let's go all the way down to that new severe thunderstorm warning. So this is a considerable. So this storm is really heating up. So this is a new severe thunderstorm warning for K County, K Oklahoma. So this is a really a big storm that's is growing, getting stronger, and it's like I said, it's moving to south of Oklahoma City, and then they got about the closest one is Noble, Sluggerville, and Norman. This are the closest and the earliest. If my calculations are correct, it'll be at 7:54. So you got about another 45 minutes before it takes place, and then you got um, we got another severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. So we got 7:34. Let's go see what that new severe thunderstorm warning is. So there is another severe thunderstorm warning that it was been issued. It's been upgraded to that has been upgraded to considerable threat. So these are considerable severe thunderstorm warnings. Pretty much for all those that are in the path of that. For those who are all in that path of that severe thunderstorm warning, that is going to be heading to south of Oklahoma City, maybe Shawnee. So that is about an hour ago, an hour I'm thinking. So let me close that out and type in. So we don't know what storm. So that's just what cells are heading for. So we got this cell is heading right here, heading towards this one. We have this cell. It's moving that way. So, and So this is going 52 miles per hour. This is going 40 miles per hour, 67 miles per hour. So we got some storms that are moving really fast. So if we take that storms right here at 67 miles per hour, moving to Norman, maybe Shawnee. So let me close that out and let me include Shawnee. That might be close enough. Oh, hang on, sorry. There we go. So I'm going to type in 67 miles per hour. So these are the storms. So these are going to be all affected. Over 1.2 million are going to be affected. So Oklahoma City got about 102 minutes. So that will be heading your way. So these are the storms. Are now in a considerable threat. So for us, our earliest, unless if I see storm developments that's going on right now, that's like the only thing I could think of. You know, because storms can develop suddenly. So let me type in this radar and see what it's doing. So far there is no development as this moment. We go to here. Oh, that's a low. So we got two radar. I got two radars, and then we also got some lightning. So if there's lightning, I have a lightning detector that will go off. So if I take about 25 miles per hour, 25 mile range, excuse me. If it's any near here, or if it's in a I can get something. I can pick up a lightning signal, lightning in Owasso, Claremore, Sapulpa. That'd be like the furthest. Kellyville maybe. Sand Springs, Catoosa, Claremore, all the way to Claremore. I can have let's see if you're done a lightning detector I will be picking up. So mostly parts of Tulsa County I can get, parts of Okmulgee County and a little bit of Muskogee County and Wagner County I can pick up, and Rogers, Osage, and Creek I can get I can get I can pick up a lightning from a distance. And it's windy, and it's still windy though. Maybe later on today I might be moving my car. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go around the nation. So that Nintendo event will be taking place right here, New York City. So that it is quiet over there, nothing big going on. not a lot going on right now as of this moment, except for we have some. So the good news is, a considerable threat is no longer a threat, but we still have to be careful though. Ping pong size hail are still very serious, so I would still stay indoors. Still, but still, there's also lightning, and if you hear lightning, if you hear thunder or lightning, don't go out. Lightning and thundering, they don't play. So, again, thank you. I almost up to 500 subscribers on YouTube channel. So, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and hit notification if you want to see if you want me to, because I do a lot of other um, fun stuffs as well. I do live gaming, also some other entertainments. You know, maybe one day I would. Maybe I'm thinking about doing something really cool later. Um, um, but I am just. Maybe I could do a video of like something nostalgic, which I like to do. Maybe I could do. I could do a nostalgic gaming video game or nostalgic vintage toys that I played when I was a kid years ago. Um, there, I mean, in it, but that in the meantime, I am just focusing on weather as of this moment. So I am gonna take a little bit low. Take a break for a few minutes. If you, so I'll be right back. All right. All right. Let's see what's going on. I always do this all the time. Oh, good grief. So $half size hail. That's going on right now. We also have that ping pong size hail. That is going on right now. For about um, 60 miles per hour wind. That's in effect right now. So that's about 30 more minutes till that warning will be allowed to expire. The good news is that's starting awakening. It was producing. So not much to say on here. So the tornado watch will be expiring about another four. I got about another 4 more hours of it. 4 hours and 30 minutes until that tornado watch will allow to be expire. So right now, let's go back and look at my weather station. So it is still 29.46. So which that being said is not a lot going on right now. So that's really good news. So go back to that. And it's really windy. I hope I don't lose power. And it's been blowing like uh, crazy, and I don't know what else um, um, to say about that. So um, so let's go back to that severe thunderstorm warning that's going on right now. So not a lot going on right now at this moment. So I'm gonna monitor these. So I want to see what this storm is about. I gotta figure out a way to turn these off. So we're gonna turn these off. I really don't want to, but I'm not gonna worry about it. It's really gone down a little bit on the temperatures. So the good news is there's no more conservative warnings. These have been all of these. Although Oklahoma's been weakening, so that's really good news. It's not over yet, so I'm gonna take a little break, and I'll be on there here in a little bit. some good news is we've been on the air since over an hour ago, so an hour and 7 minutes, almost 8 minutes. So we've got some good news. These two storms are moving out. One is getting ready to be expires 10 minutes. So these will be expired 10 minutes. So we won't have any more severe thunderstorms will be issued. So we still have to watch out for this storm that's moving up at 8:32 and at 8:32. So well, that's really good news. So we don't have a lot going on, and we also got this one that's getting ready to be is moving out. So that'll be likely to be expire or cancel soon. So that's also really good news as well. So it's been calm waking. So well, like I said, it's not over yet. This is just the beginning. Let's go back and look at that. What it looks like right now. For let's go to Oklahoma. So this is the moderate threat tonight into Wednesday morning. So let's go look at that. It's already happening right now. So and then let's go to Tulsa. There's that tornado watch that's supposed to be expiring midnight. So might be seeing golf ball to tennis ball size hail. Tornado is elevated, so we have to be mindful of that. So the timer will begin at so. Severe weather this evening at 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. That will be ending by midnight. So, and we're supposed to have another system coming in at 3 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, and this is during the Nintendo event, which I'm hoping that I will focusing on that. And this is the rainfall to Saturday. Look how much of the rainfall there will be getting. So. We're in the third worst, so but we desperately need the rain, but we sure don't know if we don't need flooding. So also we have another severe thunderstorm warning has not just been issued. So this is a quarter size hail, 60 miles per hour. It will be expiring 37 minutes, and this severe thunderstorm will go will allow to be expired, and this one has now been canceled. So this is another severe thunderstorm warning has been issued, and then we're looking at these two cells. I know, and they're what's that called? Redevelopment, or recycle. They're recycling. I mean, they're starting back up again. So we have another severe thunderstorm warning, and that includes Lindsay, Maysville, Poway, and you need to get in shelter right now. And also includes Elmore, Foster, Velma. This is for this is for severe thunderstorm warning for what county is it? Oh yeah, for Graven, Grady, Stephen, Cleveland, McLean County. So, including major towns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18. So 19 cities are impacted of this. So so these are moving really rapidly fast. So if you're in Maysville, let's calculate all that. calculate all that, that this is going 43 miles per hour, and that's a population of 6,000 people. So you have about a little bit more time. Also, just reminder: if you hear thunder, you need to get in lightning and thunder don't play each other. So. still have that severe thunderstorm warning that's still in effect. 21 minutes ping pong size hail, so that's been producing. So. So for what I understand, let me go back. I want to go back and look at this real quick. So this evening, this will be going away at midnight. Wednesday, we have another system moving in at 5 a.m. ending at 10 a.m. ending by at noon. And then we have another one that's ending at 2 p.m. 5 a.m. is the earliest, 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. So this one's going to be expiring 15 minutes. So this storm is supposed to be moving out at about midnight, and we're supposed to get in our system moving in later on tonight. So I want to go check back my weather station, see what it's doing. See, right now it is now dropping down. Now it's at 29.44, which is really not good. The humidity is 68%, and the temperature's been slowly dropping. So with that being said, we're still looking at some more bad weather that will be happening in the future later on tonight, especially this storm right here that is trying to move either here or here or here or maybe here. I know it's really hard to tell because it's been shifting quite some time. So, and I want to look at the base velocity. Let's see what it looks like right now. This is it looks like it's heavy thunderstorms, and this is the storm relativity, and then it's really not producing much. So I got two radars that I would like to show you what it will be doing. So that is that storm right there. It's really not producing. The good news is it's not been increasing. So otherwise it would have been showing this red right here. So which that's really the good news is. So if we got about another 12 minutes, and that storm will allow to expired, which that's really good news. I want to go to this radar. So this is showing that is looking at the severe hail is really low, not producing as much. And then this one is not, yeah, but this is weakening quite some time. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this. So that's like the only thunderstorm warning that is going on right now, and it'll be allowed to be expired 11 minutes. We have 4 active severe thunderstorm warnings. So we have 2 are considerable, and then there's that one for these falling counties. So that's really starting to be lifting up. We also have this one in Kansas. So 4 severe thunderstorm warnings. These will be expiring 11 minutes, and then this will be expiring 26 minutes. So that's really good news. So not a lot going on right now, but I will keep you all advised. So we have no more severe thunderstorm warnings are now allowed to be expired in Oklahoma. So we have a 50 miles per hour strong thunderstorms. Gusty winds could be knocking down. So we have a brand new. They expand a tornado watch for this location. So we are now could be definitely into that tornado watch. That could be happening around. Well, let's go back and look at that. So, with that being said, let's look at the timing for that. That thunderstorm warning. So this has been going. It's 8 o'clock right now. 11 o'clock for that line of storm, and we have another system coming in at 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. Right. So I don't want to do. I hope with this storms will move out by then. All right, let's see what this new severe thunderstorm. No, it's not one of us, so that's good. That's only for Kansas. So I got some good news. The tornado watch was allowed to be canceled. So I am going to be getting off the air, which that's really good news. So we are now no longer in a tornado watch. So that is really good news. So I am getting ready to get off the air, and if anything happens, I will catch you the next video. I will go back on. So we have to watch out for 5 o'clock. So the really good news is no more the tornado watches is allowed to be canceled, but we have to watch for tomorrow morning. So I will catch you in the next video. But the barometer pressure is still continuing to fall. So I will catch you in the next video. So have a good night. Bye.